Welcome. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to edit your community picture on WhatsApp step by step. Whether you're managing a large group or just want to freshen things up with a new image, this quick guide will help you get it done in just a few taps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version so that all the features appear as they should. Once the app is open, look toward the bottom of your screen and tap on the Communities tab. This is where all your communities are listed and you can easily manage them from here. Next, choose the community whose picture you want to change. Tap to open it and you'll see its main page with chats, groups, and members. In the top right corner, you'll notice 3 small dots. Those dots are your options menu. Tap on them and from the drop-down list, select Community Info. Now you're in the information section where you can view the current community, name, description, and profile picture. To make changes, tap on Edit Community Info. This will open the editing screen where you can update details like the name or description, but for this tutorial, we'll focus on the picture. Tap on the existing community picture. You'll then see a few options to update it. Choose Photo to pick an existing image from your gallery. Browse through your pictures and select the one that best represents your community. Once you've chosen it, adjust or crop the image if needed, and then tap Confirm. After confirming, the new picture will automatically replace the old one and be visible to all members of the community. It's that simple, and that's it. You've successfully updated your WhatsApp community picture. It's a small change, but one that can really make your community feel fresh and active. If this walkthrough helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this one.